Let's crush an instant nerdle. We just got division today. So this is going to equal a single-digit number. We're going to have division here. We're dividing by a double-digit number. Dividing a triple-digit number by a double-digit number to equal a single-digit number. So this is just a scrambled-up math equation. We have to unscramble. All the purple stuff is in the wrong place. Green stuff, the 6 is in the right place. So that's the only thing we know where it goes. I know the equal sign has to go here because if it can't go here, it's going to have to go here. And division is going to go here because you're always dividing the biggest number, and that's going to be a triple-digit number in this instance. So with division, I like to kind of do the equation in reverse because I think multiplication is a lot easier to deal with than division. So I'm going to consider what this can equal and multiply that by this double-digit number, and then that's going to equal whatever this is. Division and multiplication kind of work in reverse like that, right? I can consider this like a multiplication sign and this like an equal sign rather than a division sign here and an equal sign here. So whatever this number is, times 6 will have to make sense with this number. So like, for example, if I put a 3 here, 3 times 60 would equal 180. So this number would have to either start with a 1 or a 2, honestly, because 60, yeah, there's a few numbers. Like if this was a 9, this would be a 2. But I think typically this would be a 1. Let's try some different numbers here. All right. So, yeah, well, if this was a 9, let's just try a 9 here. 3 times 69 would be 217. We don't have a 7, but that like almost worked actually, which is kind of wild. But I think that's the only number that's going to put us into the 200. So I've tried 3 and 1 here, so I can do a 2 here, but that would end in a 6 because 3 times 2 is 6, so we only have 1 6, so that doesn't work. If I put a 4 here, 3 times 64. So 3 times 60 is 180, plus 12 is 192. That's the answer. There's an instant nerdle for you, dude. There it is. Thanks for watching. Catch you later.